નમસ્કાર મારા વહાલા વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં આપ સૌનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. મારા વહાલા બાળકો, હજી સુધી તમે આપણી યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ ના કરી હોય તો જલ્દી સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો અને હા વિડીયોને લાઇક કરવાનું ભૂલશો નહીં. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આજે આપણે ધોરણ 7 અંગ્રેજી વિષયમાં અસાઇનમેન્ટ સોલ્યુશનમાં ક્વેશ્ચન એ જે તમારા પ્રશ્નપત્રમાં કુલ 16 ગુણમાં પૂછાય છે, જેમાં પેરેગ્રાફ પરથી ક્વેશ્ચનના આન્સર લખવાના હોય છે, જેમાં યુનિટ 1 અને 2ના પેરેગ્રાફ પરથી ક્વેશ્ચનના આન્સરનું આપણે સોલ્યુશન કરીશું. રીડ ધ ફોલોઈંગ પેરેગ્રાફ્સ એન્ડ આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ. Unit 1, Paragraph 1. When Tejasvini saw her bicycle, she said, "Wow!" She felt proud. She placed her foot on the left pedal and yelled, "Here I go! Woohoo!" She moved faster and faster. She went to the river bank. She enjoyed riding the bicycle on this rough path. Question 1. How did Tejasvini feel when she saw her bicycle? Answer. Tejasvini felt proud when she saw her bicycle. B. How was the path on the river bank? Answer. The path on the river bank was rough. Question 3. What did Tejasvini say when she saw the bicycle? Wow! 4. Where did Tejasvini go? River bank. 5. Which word in the paragraph means shouted? Yelled. Paragraph 2. Now she was flying over the river. She looked down. Oh, is that a kite in the river? It was a boat. She turned the handle towards the village. She saw her school. Oh no! There are so many leaves of trees on the roof. I will clean them tomorrow, she thought. Question 1. What did Tejasvini see in the river? Answer. Tejasvini saw a boat in the river. 2. What did Tejasvini see in her school? Tejasvini saw many leaves of trees on the roof of her school. 3. What did Tejasvini decide? Tejasvini decided to clean the school roof. Question 4. What did Tejasvini see in the river? Boat. 5. What did Tejasvini see in the village? School. 6. Where were the leaves? Roof of her school. Paragraph 3. It was 11th April 2011. It was Tejasvini's 12th birthday. Her father gifted her a beautiful bicycle. It was a unique bike, blue in color, a soft seat, a little bell, and a rear view mirror. Question 8. How old was Tejasvini? Answer. Tejasvini was 12 years old. 2. What did her father gift her? Her father gifted her a beautiful bicycle. Question 3. When is Tejasvini's birthday? 11th April 2011. 4. Which of the following is false about the bicycle? It has a hard seat. 5. Which word in the paragraph means only one of its kind? Unique. Paragraph 4. She was riding at her top speed. Then she noticed a red button near the bell. What was that? She pushed the button. Lo and behold, there came out a big fan on the rear wheel. The fan started rotating vroom vroom. It thrilled Tejaswini. She pedaled the bicycle with full strength. Question 1. What did Tejaswini notice? Tejaswini noticed a red button near the wheel. 2. What happened when Tejaswini pushed the red button? When Tejaswini pushed the red button, a big fan came out on the rear wheel. 3. Why was Tejaswini thrilled? Tejaswini was thrilled because a big fan came out on the rear wheel and started rotating. Unit 2, Paragraph 1. The king heard about Gopal. He called him and said, Gopal, you are a brave boy. Did you really kill 7 at a blow? Gopal said, Yes, Your Majesty, I did. The king said, You know, there are two cruel giants in our kingdom. They trouble people. There is no one to catch or kill them. Question 1. Who heard about Gopal? The king heard about Gopal. 2. What does the king say about Gopal? The king says that Gopal is a brave boy. 3. Why could the giants trouble the people? The giants could trouble the people because there was no one to catch or kill them. Question 4. Which word describes the giants? Cruel. 5. Who troubled the people? Giants. Paragraph 2. Gopal asked, Did anyone try to catch them before? The king replied, Yes, many people tried, but they failed. You are brave. You killed 7 at a time. The giants are only 2. Kill them, and I will give you a rich reward. Question 1. How many giants were there? There were 2 giants. 2. What did the king promise Gopal? The king promised a rich reward to Gopal. Question 3. They failed means they were not successful. 4. The king asked Gopal to kill the giants. Paragraph 3. Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Gopal. He liked the jalebis very much. One day, he bought some fresh jalebis. He put them in a dish. After a while, he saw flies buzzing over the jalebis. Go away, dirty flies, he shouted. But they didn't. He killed 7 flies at one blow. He said to himself, Wow, 7 at one blow. I am very brave. Question 1. What did Gopal like? Gopal liked jalebis. 2. What did Gopal see over the jalebis? Gopal saw flies buzzing over the jalebis. 3. Where did Gopal put the fresh jalebis? Gopal put the fresh jalebis in a dish. 4. I am very brave. Why did Gopal say this? Gopal said this because he killed 7 flies at one blow. Question 5. What were the flies doing? Buzzing over the jalebis. 6. How many flies did Gopal kill? 7. 7. Which word shows the sound of flies buzzing? 8. Which word does Gopal use to describe himself? Brave. Paragraph 4. Gopal knew he was not able to catch or kill giants, but the king and the people had high hopes from him. He thought for a long time, then he went out in search of the giants. He wandered here and there. He roamed in the mountains and valleys, but he failed. Question 1. What did Gopal know? Gopal knew that he was not able to catch or kill the giants. 2. Who had high hopes from Gopal? The king and the people had high hopes from Gopal. 3. Where did Gopal roam? Gopal roamed in the mountains and valleys. 4. Could Gopal find the giants? No, Gopal could not find the giants. Question 5. Which word in the paragraph means walked here and there, wandered? 6. Where did Gopal roam? Mountains and valleys. 7. But he failed means he was unsuccessful. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, અહીં યુનિટ 1 અને યુનિટ 2ના પેરેગ્રાફ પરથી ક્વેશ્ચનના આન્સરનું સોલ્યુશન પૂર્ણ થાય છે. વિડીયો ગમ્યો હોય તો તેને લાઈક કરો, તમારા મિત્રો સુધી શેર કરો. આવા જ અવનવા ઉપયોગી વિડીયો જોવા માટે આપણી યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ સાથે જોડાયેલા રહો. મળીએ એક નવા વિડીયો સાથે. ધન્યવાદ.